got one chance, so I better do this. Listen, yeah. I'm recording, so listen to you guys in the room. Don't get the condition like this is a premonition. My recognition is back to my memory, where times were better, G. Where I was living cleverly, but it never been legendary. But it was necessary to be the same guy that I was. But my time is just gone, be rhyming along. I'm firing upon the bars that you see that I'm freestyling along. Wait, freestyling along, and if I mispronounce, that's what I missed about. When I was even spit about, got my fucking lyric out. Stop the ticking now, that's what he's done in the studio. So you knew the flow, my new flow is so sick, you knew it though. But I wanna talk about times in the sunshine, so I feed my brain like a lunch line with so many puns. Got that thing like you gotta get the skunk to get drunk. I wanna do this every year, but this Caribbean rum has got to my brain. I can't concentrate, but the riverside feels so right, especially when you were out there in Kingston, living high, living my life. When I was 16, I feel like flipping by. I didn't wanna cry, but I feel hypnotized by my past. Wanna fire past, cause I find it laugh. See people living in the past, but you gotta be in the present, cause I don't wanna see the present. If you wanna be in my presence, then you better see in the desert, better be leaving it deader. But it gotta be so clever when I need it never. It's gotta be on that idea like Prozac. You hold that and I bring my whole flow back. You see how I compose that, control maps. If I could like a sat nav, but I back that and I could backtrack like an A-track. I feel like recordings change, man. It's all the easy shit, like the machine's the same plan. You can blame Mac, but they can't take that, so you can't blame Mac. It's chemotherapy with my chemo flow. It's got a density to get to any MC. When you listen, I got the condition about the shit when I was living in another time. Let me tell you about the sun and shine in the summertime, when I run a rhyme with my boys and we unwind together with one line. Not cocaine, I mean one line of thought. Together we know way you're talking about when you hold blade. But I'm so fresh like Colgate, you can't understand how I compose, mate. We hold eights and just smoke them. My friends around me, I release my emotions by chilling about with my friends, kidding for now. But it's alright, we're diligent for now. We're gonna earn millions later, succeeding, better believe it. My whole life I feel like it's a weekend. How can you teach people freedom? They don't believe them. All their ideas and minds boxed in. What can I say? So many toxins that you take with sugar and ketchup. But that's your idea, not gonna accept ya. Feel like myself's Hannibal Lecter, cause I might feast on your soul. I'm easy to know, but I'll be depleting your bones, especially like it's calcium and tea and water. This is all manslaughter. Went down to your daughter. See, if everybody lived longer, it wouldn't prosper for the economy, which obviously is created by the economy that they make. So it's quite much like this when they gotta be, but it's not my philosophy. So what you wanna be is some other MC. It doesn't trouble me to tell MCs they should be trusting me, cause I bust MCs and busting the mic to bust MCs. It's gonna get in the pulmonary. So if you can even hold to me, you can't control MCs. I flow so deep you can't even get it, but I get deeper. Me, myself and I, Mr. Reaper, reflection, naughty noise, you better believe, sir.